Hello everyone. So this is a very interesting attack that happened on Instagram. So there was an Indian security researcher who was able to hack any Instagram account using no rate limit. So let's see this report, how the user was able to do so. And yes, Facebook awarded $30,000 as a part of their bug bounty program to the security researcher. So this was a very interesting bypass that the researcher was able to perform. So the researcher was testing the forgot password endpoint, and the first thing that came to mind was account takeover vulnerability. Yes. So the user tries to enter his or her mobile number that sends a 6-digit passcode onto their mobile phone. Now they have to enter it to change the password. So he was testing to show the presence of rate limiting. So he sent it around 1000 requests. 250 requests went through and rest 750 requests were rate limited. Tried one more time 1000 requests, but they also got rate limited. So the systems are validating the rate limit request properly. So what this user tried, he tried for two things that allowed to bypass the rate limit mechanism. Race hazard, there is nothing but race conditions, and second is IP rotation. Race condition means when any user is able to send a lot of high number of requests in a very small time frame. We will see how can we do race conditions using Burp suite. You just have to go into the intruder tab, and then you have to increase the threads. So let's say you can give around 100 to 200 threads and you can fire the request. Okay. IP rotation is nothing but it's with each request you are able to send a new IP address to the server. So the server will think the request is not just coming from one computer or one user. The request is coming from many other users and many other computers from the world. So these two things helped the researcher to bypass the rate limit process in Instagram, and he was awarded with bounty $30,000. So it's a very nice article which has written here wherein he was able to bypass this. As you can see, this is the POC in which this is the post request. Okay, in the post request he have got a verification code onto his phone, and this is the verification request which contains the recovery code 123456. Now we need to brute force this endpoint using multiple IPs. For that he used many IPs through AWS. So he was able to send around 200 requests from a single IP without hitting the rate limit. So for this demonstration he used around 1000 different machines to achieve concurrency and IPs to send around 200,000 requests. And Facebook quickly acknowledged this issue and they awarded $30,000 for this awesome find. So I hope you guys understood. I will put the link in the description wherein you can watch this POC, how this user was able to do the same thing. Lesson learned into this vulnerability report was you can still bypass the rate limit by two things. The first thing is race condition by sending very fast request in a very small time frame through intruder tab by increasing the threads. Second, IP rotation. If you can change your IP with each request, you can also achieve no rate limit onto websites. I hope you guys understood. Thank you so much.